This is this in a place like this. Okay guys, we're in Santana Row. This is one of my favorite places here, and we're gonna have breakfast or brunch. Yeah, we're gonna have brunch in here. I'm excited to eat. I'm really hungry. I literally woke up, changed into this fit, got ready, and they picked me up. So it's a lot more colder today than the past few days, but I really like it because the sun is still out, as you guys can see. This is one of my favorite places in here. The Christmas lights are up. This would look really pretty at night.
Veggie. Yeah.
Ito Ningsu. So I'm having cinnamon roll, my sister's having cream cheese, and this is a keto bite breakfast. This is our breakfast. The drinks are here. I got pink lemonade. It's a sparkling lemonade. This is my breakfast.
Camera shy. Parang pinili ako yung camera ko.
Oh, ayan na. Yan ang para sa'yo. It's time to romanticize the stuff in here and pretend I'm shopping for my future home. That's how we do it. This is a really nice table setting. I need to stop looking at mugs because I go crazy over mugs. I'm a sucker for anything Christmassy. Look at all the sweet treats. Sweet treats. Sweet treats. This is interesting. Now we're in the bed area. That's cute. These are so cute. Like, these are my colors. I know this is a kid's bed, but this would work for me, to be honest. Like, I could sleep here. I am literally just out here romanticizing my life, my future family, my future kids. Does my sister think I'm crazy? I hope not. Okay, this is something I would want to see in my future home. I'm gonna take a picture of this. Next stop is the Container Store. Oh my gosh, look at this. I know this is like a well-known brand, but they have this in the TikTok shop from Bagsmart, and it's way cheaper. I mean, it's not the same. This is probably stronger. The quality is probably better, but if you guys want anything similar like that for a cheaper price, Bagsmart TikTok shop. Guys, this is so nice. This is the Cybertruck. The Cybertruck. Hop in, guys. Hop in. Guys, welcome to my new car. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. This is the what's this called? The Cyber Taxi, I believe. And it has no steering wheel. No steering wheel at all. It's empty in there. I want this Cybertruck. It's so weird because I used to be like a Cybertruck, not a hater, but I wasn't a huge fan of how it looks like because I feel like it's too bulky. Like, it looks like a robot. But now that I tried like hopping inside and touching the steering wheel, I kind of want it. Look at this. This is literally so me. It's like this bag but smaller and in green. This is such a pretty view. doing some more walking. I love Manila's tropical weather, but I feel like the fall weather here in California aligns more with my body. I don't know if that made sense. To make a little more sense, I feel like the fall weather hits the spot. It's a tie between spring and fall. It's just that I love fall colors more. But spring weather also on top, also superior. Nice flowers, love it too. They have an advent calendar. So cute. This is my type of thing. Gummy candies. I saw this luggage online and it's so cute and sparkly. This is how it's like. The texture is so nice. Hi guys. So we're at Valley Fair now. It's time for us to eat. Finally, we are about to eat our lunch. It's currently 12:37. We're at Din Tai Fung right now. I ordered my typical Din Tai Fung order, the spicy noodles, pizza pork, and shrimp spicy wontons, my ultimate favorite. I'm so excited to eat. As usual, I am hungry. Like I feel like every time I vlog, I feel hungry. Amen. Ladies. This is some of the food. And shrimp spicy wonton. Ayan, vegan noodles with spicy sauce. Okay, this is my food. My food is here. Okay, the dessert is here. Chocolate xiaolongbao with sea salt cream.
Anong mo dito yun? Dimsum, di ba? Yung dimsum wrapper. Alam mo yung chocolate sa loob. Na, steam mo.
We just finished having lunch. Now we're at Rabbit Tea, about to drink some fruit tea. As an iced tea enthusiast, I would drink anything that's iced tea. I love iced tea so much. So I got their popular drink. This is my drink.
I put my team in position, now they making a killing. Those are the ace when they send them till the end. We put the good in the good in the good. And the moderation will never keep your breath. Even though we could go. Keep your breath. The way you want, you can make it.
This place is so beautiful. Hi everybody. So we just rested for a bit, got home, rested for a bit, and now we are in this mountain. It's so pretty in here. It feels so good to be walking in a place like this, especially with this weather, because I feel like I could breathe good quality air, and it's just so different from what we have in the Philippines. So I enjoy my walks in places like this. To me, it's a refreshing activity. If you were to ask me to do this in my country, I would be like, no, thank you. Oh my gosh, look at that, look at that. We're all just literally admiring the nature / God's creation. Tell you guys honestly, I'm freezing because look at my top underneath this coat. I literally just am wearing a tank top, so it's a bit cold because it's 4:48 p.m. already. So you guys know the weather's a bit chilly. And I'm literally just trying to survive out here. But look, so pretty. I love looking at places like this because to me it feels like it's something so unreal. Every time I look at it, I think about how amazing God is. I think about how He crafted this whole earth. It amazes me. He just amazes me so much, and it's a privilege, it's an honor to witness this beauty, to witness His creations and be able to walk in it. I probably am blabbering, but I just wanted to like really let this out and express how in awe I am of God and how He molded this earth, how He crafted those mountains, the trees behind me, this pathway I'm walking on. Look at the blue skies, and in there you guys can see the sunset. The sunset is that way.